Hello everyone, I am Dr. Taslima Maimoon. In this video, we will talk about contraception after delivery, when pregnancy can happen again, which methods are safe during breastfeeding, and how to choose the right family planning option. Many women believe pregnancy cannot happen until periods return, but ovulation can occur before the first period. Breastfeeding is not complete protection against pregnancy. That's why contraception is important soon after delivery. Contraception can be started immediately after delivery with methods like condoms or IUCD, if advised. Some hormonal methods are started after 6 weeks depending on breastfeeding. Do not wait for periods to start contraception. Lactational amenorrhea method works only when three conditions are met: exclusive breastfeeding, no return of periods, and the baby is less than 6 months old. If any one condition fails, pregnancy can occur, so another contraceptive method should be planned early. Condoms are one of the safest contraceptive methods after delivery. They can be used immediately, do not affect breast milk, and have no hormones. When used correctly and consistently, condoms also protect against sexually transmitted infections. IUCD or COPD is a very effective, long-term contraceptive method after delivery. It can be inserted immediately after birth or after 6 weeks, depending on medical advice. It is safe during breastfeeding and does not cause infertility. Some women may experience heavier periods initially, which usually settle. After delivery, breastfeeding mothers can use progestin-only pills, which are safe for milk supply and usually started after 6 weeks. Combined pills containing estrogen should be avoided early during breastfeeding and used only later with medical advice. Pills must be taken daily at the same time for best protection. Injectable contraception is given once every 3 months and is safe during breastfeeding. It is convenient and very effective. Some women may experience irregular bleeding or weight gain initially, and periods may take time to return after stopping. Always choose this method with doctor guidance. Emergency contraception can be used within 72 hours after unprotected intercourse or contraceptive failure. It is generally safe during breastfeeding and does not require stopping feeds. However, it should not be used as a regular method. Choose a reliable long-term option. There is no single best contraceptive for everyone. The right method depends on whether you are breastfeeding, your delivery type, medical history, and future pregnancy plans. Discuss options with your doctor to choose what suits you best. Many myths surround contraception after delivery. Breastfeeding is not complete protection. IUCD does not cause infertility, and progestin-only pills do not reduce milk. Pregnancy can occur even before periods return, so contraception should be started early. After starting contraception, consult your doctor if you experience excessive bleeding, severe pain, headaches, breastfeeding issues, or missed periods. Early medical consultation helps prevent complications and ensures safe family planning. Healthy birth spacing of at least 18 to 24 months allows the mother to recover fully and improves outcomes for the next baby. Planning contraception early helps ensure a healthier mother and child. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more doctor-approved women's health and family planning videos.